So Rosemoor, I feel, is really special. So we're in a valley setting. We're surrounded by woodland, so that gives us our borrowed landscape views and our protection and makes the garden nice and green and lush.
At this time of year, there's so much to see. The herbaceous perennials on the lung borders, they're all coming into their own. So there's lots of colour there. But I think most people head in here to actually smell the roses and get basically that scent of summer.
The rose garden's amazing. The amount of flowers is gorgeous, all the different colours and everything, and the smell's just incredible.
So far, I've really enjoyed the wildflowers around us.
Purples and pinks seem to be quite a theme, and then you get here the splashes of yellow really lift it up.
It's really brilliant just to be kind of walking through almost like clouds of fragrances. So sometimes you don't even spot the plant first, you smell it first, and then you start to walk around and say, where is it? Where did I pick that up from?
So here in the veg garden we try and give people as much inspiration as possible to grow at home. Over on the wall we've got peaches, which look fantastic at this time of year. The kales are looking really good, lots of different colours and texture contrasts.
I'm very inspired by the vegetable garden. It's brilliant. And come away with lots of ideas, taken lots of photographs of things to do at home.
We call it the rock gully. That basically links the two sides of the garden, so that's got the lovely sort of water running down.
We've got big plantings of gunneras, which always people are kind of amazed by because of the size of the leaves, which are like massive umbrellas. And of course in the summer you've got all the water lilies flowering.
The exotic garden in particular is a real show in the late summer. It's just that really sort of tropical leaf shape and jungle feel, and then the real kind of strong colours from the flowering plants too. So yeah, it's just giving that opportunity for people to see a wider palette of plants that they wouldn't normally have the opportunity to see or grow.
You can take a stroll through some of our woodland areas, and you're under a nice tree canopy, so that's nice and cool in the heat of the summer.
So far we've been through the woodland area. The children really enjoy that. They pretend they're on a gruffalo hunt.
I quite like the smell of the sap trees, but also we love going under a huge tree with hanging branches, and we love hiding and playing under there.
It's the nicest break from the city possible, to be out, fresh air. It's a gorgeous place to be. It's so chill, it's so calm, and it's just a really nice way to spend the afternoon.
This whole place is an expression of, the very best that nature has to offer, I think. It just makes you feel connected to it, really.
Plants react to light levels and moisture levels and everything, so long summer days help the plants grow and obviously have that longevity of flower, which obviously is needed for them to perform and for us to enjoy them in the garden, really.